In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter rental income in QuickBooks Online. We're going to walk through this in two main parts. First, we'll set things up properly, and then we'll record the actual rent payments, whether they're paid right away or paid later. Let's start by setting up your tenant as a customer and creating a specific item for rental income. In QuickBooks Online, go to the left-hand menu and click on Sales, then choose Customers. At the top right, you'll see an option to add a new customer. Click on New Customer and a form will open. Here, you'll enter the tenant's details, such as their name, contact information, and any notes you want to keep on file for that tenant. The goal is to have each tenant set up as their own customer so you can track who paid what and when. When you're finished entering those details, save the customer. Next, we'll create the rental income item you'll use every time you charge rent. Go to the gear icon in the upper right corner, then choose Products and Services. Click on New and select Service as the type. In the name field, type something clear and consistent like rental income. This is what will appear on invoices and receipts. Make sure you link this item to your rental income account on the income side so that every time you use it, it posts correctly to your rental income in your books. Once that's set, save the item. Now you're ready to record the actual income. If your tenant pays you immediately, you'll want to use a sales receipt. Click the New button, then choose Sales Receipt. Select the tenant from the Customer dropdown. In the Product or Service section, add the rental income item you just created, enter the rent amount, and set the date the payment was received. Double-check the deposit account to make sure the money is going to the right bank account in QuickBooks. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. If your tenant will pay later, you'll use an invoice instead. Again, click New, then select Invoice. Choose the tenant from the Customer dropdown, add the rental income item, and enter the rent amount. This time, set the due date to when the rent is actually due. You can save and send the invoice by email, or just save and close if you're handling it another way. When the tenant pays, record the payment in QuickBooks and apply it to that invoice so it shows as paid and your accounts stay accurate.